Are your files, photos, and other important data safe? What would you do if your device was stolen, attacked by ransomware, experienced a hard drive failure? Or what if you accidentally deleted an important file? Now there's an easy way to protect your files from loss. Livedrive is a secure online service for storing your photos and important files. Simply install Livedrive onto your device and it does all the work for you, automatically backing up your files in the background and storing them in one of Livedrive's secure data centers. Then, if something happens to your device, you can quickly and easily restore your files. Livedrive also enables you to share large files with your family and friends in just a few clicks. And when you want to view your files, you can securely access them at any time from any other computer, tablet, or phone. Livedrive, the easy way to back up and access your files from anywhere. Protect your files today.